Hello and welcome. My name is Andrew Peel, and in this video, I'd like to introduce Homebuilder 5. Homebuilder is a free add-on for Blender with the goal of giving you a complete home design tool. Everything from framing and foundation to siding and roofing. But right now, the main focus is on cabinetry, giving you the ability to lay out residential spaces for kitchens, bathrooms, closets, home offices, or any space where you need custom cabinets. You could start your design by creating the room layout, drawing walls by typing in the exact wall dimensions, or trace an existing floor plan. Once your room layout is created, you can access the cabinet library, which is organized to make it easy to find what you're looking for. While placing cabinets, you can set exact sizes, offsets, and add multiple cabinets quickly to fill spaces and build out your elevations. You can also use the user library to access common cabinet configurations you've saved, quickly placing islands or other cabinet groups. From there, you can adjust opening configurations, swap doors for drawers, change interior options like shelves and rollouts, and select from a range of cabinet styles. Wood species, finishes, door styles, and hardware can all be quickly adjusted in the Options interface. Crown, base, and light rail molding can be configured by creating details that determine how the molding will be applied to your cabinets. These details show exactly how the molding is applied, with dimensions for reveals, overlays, and other construction information. All of the moldings automatically extrude as physical geometry in 3D. Once your design is complete, you can leverage Blender's rendering capabilities to create photorealistic renderings and animations, or use Homebuilder to generate 2D plan and elevation drawings ready for review or production. With Homebuilder, you'll be able to create beautiful designs, but I'm working towards a system where you can take your project and order the cabinets from a certified dealer who will verify the design or offer suggestions to ensure your design meets the standards required for professional installation. Homebuilder 5 is free and open source. Download it today, join the community on Discord, and check out the full tutorial to see what you can build today.